Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to create a check button for Tkinter. I already created the root from our TK and imported Tkinter as TK. Now we are going to set the title for our window. So we check button widget. And now I'm going to set the size, minimum size for our window. That will be at least 300 by 200. And now I'm going to set the label, root, and the text, the value for the label. Please select programming languages. And tag. Add it to our window now. And now we are going to add a check button by using tk dot check button. This is the root and the text on our button. So here is Python and tag method, and then we are going to do root main loop, and now we can run. This should be lowercase. Let's try it again. Now we have it, and here's the option. Select the Python. Let's add few more buttons with more programming languages as an option. This will be Python, Java, C++. Let's run it again. And now you have these all options: Python, Java, C++. And now I'm going to add one more and set its state to be disabled. So we do this for Ruby and set it state to be disabled. And you can see you cannot select this one, but you have a check a button over here. You cannot select this one because its state is disabled. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.